Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's peak summertime, and the kids have been super excited because we promised them a swimming pool. After weeks of searching, we finally ordered this Intex Inflatable Pool set, and today we are going to unbox it and set it up. On the box, it says it's suitable for 2+ kids aged 2 years and older. The dimensions are provided too. It's not a very huge pool, but honestly, a 4-year-old can comfortably lie down in it and beat the summer heat. Let's get started. The box has a lot of different languages printed on it. And here's the pricing. It says 2500 MRP, but online you can usually get it for around 800 rupees to 900 rupees. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. Opening it up, the pool material feels like thick, folded latex. There's also a small piece of paper here. It's a puncture repair kit. In case the pool gets torn, you can patch it up easily. Hopefully, we won't need it, but it's good to have. Now, let's unfold the pool carefully. The color scheme is light blue and white. Remember, you must set it up on a clean surface without any sharp objects nearby, so I'm keeping the knife away. I can see 2 air valves. One for inflating the base. One for inflating the walls. Manually blowing this up would take a lot of time, so I'm using a vacuum cleaner with a blower function to speed things up. First, I'm inflating the base. I have to hold the nozzle because it doesn't fit perfectly, but it's working, air is going in. Once the base feels firm, I'll move to the outer wall. The electric blower really saves time. If you are planning to buy an inflatable pool, I highly recommend having a blower too. A few minutes later, the pool is nicely inflated and looking great. The kids are getting super excited already. But then, a mishap. While moving it, the pool touched the ceiling and scratched a bit, causing a slow air leak. You can see the damage here. Sad moment. Luckily, I used the repair kit and managed a makeshift patch. The kids had removed the first patch and done some artwork on the pool, but after some effort, I managed to fix it again. Now it's ready. We carried it up to the terrace, connected the water pipe, and started filling it up. It actually holds a lot of water. The kids got creative. They started filling bottles with water and pouring them into the pool too. And finally, success. The kids are absolutely loving it, jumping around, splashing, and even trying to dive in. You can easily fit 3 kids sitting together without the pool feeling cramped. It's safe, it's shallow, and it's perfect for young kids to have some fun without much worry. Just remember, after playtime, store it safely indoors. Stray crows, cats might get attracted to the water, and their sharp beaks and claws can easily puncture it. Overall, it's an amazing little pool to treat your kids this summer. Definitely recommend it if you want a fun, affordable way to beat the heat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel.